So starting with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, keeping the chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the right arm up, left hand to the thigh. We'll inhale, exhale over to the left. Swap the arms over. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the right. Back to center. And we'll inhale, exhale over. Coming back. And inhale and exhale. Back to center. One more each side. So inhale. Exhale over and center, inhale and exhale. Then coming back to center, bring the arms down. So balance pose, extended forward bend. So bring the arms up, leaning forward, head towards the ground, and then coming back to standing. So inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, reaching forwards, dropping the head down wherever you get to. Inhale there, and exhale to standing. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forwards. Inhale, and exhale to standing. Again, inhale, exhale, forwards. Inhale there. Exhale, coming back up. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forwards. Inhale, exhale, coming back up. So balance pose. Dancer's pose. Stand on the right leg, taking hold of the left foot with the left hand. Bring the right arm up. And we'll inhale and exhale, come forwards into your dancer's pose. So just nice and easy for the first one. We're going to do 3 on each side. So coming down, swap to the other side. So standing on the left, taking hold of the right foot. Bring that left arm up. And inhale, exhale forwards. And coming back up. So 2 more each side. So taking hold of the left foot. We'll inhale, exhale. So we're lifting that back leg as much as we can. Pushing the foot into the hand. And coming down. Take hold of the right foot with the right hand. Inhale, exhale forwards. And coming down. So take hold of the left foot with the left hand. Inhale and exhale. So maybe a little bit further on this third one. Try and keep the chest open. Reach forward with that right arm. Then coming down. And last one. Taking hold of the right foot, the right hand. We'll inhale, exhale forwards. So remember, just wherever you get to, nothing should hurt. And coming down. So standing pose, we'll do warrior 2. So start with the feet nice and wide apart. Turn that left foot 90 degrees. And the right foot slightly angled towards that front foot. Shoulders above the hips. Bring the arms to shoulder level. and then gently turn the head. So we're looking along that front arm all the way to the end of the middle finger. We'll keep the shoulders down and relaxed. So we're just doing one each side. We'll try and sink into the pose. And keep breathing. So turn the feet around. So make sure we set up properly so that front knee is tracking in line with the toes. Body facing forwards. And then we just turn the head. Keep the shoulders down and relaxed. And breathe. Now, bring the arms down. Bring the feet back to hip width. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. You're placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.